This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Minecraft. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need a good supply of grapes, which can often be found in specific biomass or grown from vines. Next, you'll need a water source, perhaps a bucket of water or a nearby lake. Finally, prepare your crafting area with a crafting table and a barrel or fermenter, which is crucial for the next steps. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, fermentation. Take your gathered grapes and place them inside your barrel or fermenter. Add a bucket of water to the barrel, ensuring the grapes are submerged. This mixture will then begin its transformation. The fermentation process usually takes a few in-game days, so be patient and let the magic happen. You'll notice a change in the barrel's appearance when it's ready. After successful fermentation, it's time to age and bottle your wine. Carefully extract the fermented liquid from the barrel and pour it into empty glass bottles. For optimal quality, place these bottled wines in a cool, dark environment, such as a cellar or a chest in a shaded area. Aging can significantly enhance the wine's properties, often taking several more in-game days to reach its peak. Congratulations, you've successfully made wine in Minecraft. Now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Drinking your wine might provide various in-game effects, from temporary buffs to unique status enhancements. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of grapes or additional ingredients to discover new flavors and potencies. Share your delicious creations with your friends and celebrate your winemaking prowess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.